Here's a 2015 Lexus GS 350. Its luxury and aggression will dominate your senses. This GS 350 is performance art at maximum speed. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, power telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Automobile raves. Step into the GS 350 and every surface you lay your hand on is made of a high quality or soft touch material. Lexus, performance in every detail. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.